Hello everyone, welcome back. It's Terry, and this is an unboxing from the Orchid Den. This is really a part 2 of the video that I just put out a couple days ago. Make sure you check it out. It is praising the Orchid Den and his culture, his awards, his personality, his growth. So here we go. This first one is in bloom, as you see, and these are all spatulata, except for one. Now this is Dendrobium entonatum, antelope, as you see. Very healthy. Division. Lots of roots. There's the tag. And there we go. Without pulling it out. Very nice foliage, very glossy, healthy, nice light. Of course, coming from Florida, Jacksonville, I believe. Next one is another Laturia. This is Dendrobium, and it's Hyalea something. But you saw the tag. Nice big growth. These antelopes, as I said already, get huge, ginormous. And I want a lanai like Josh. I want those antelopes like Josh. My Laturias would do excellent there. All of my dens, I would not have one problem. But alas, and this one is a Sigmorchis citrina, I think. Or yeah, I think it is. There is no tag on it, but it is Pusilla. Sigmorchis pusilla, and it is a epiphytic orchid, and I'll have to do another video on that one because I am just going to keep this short. So everybody, thanks for watching, and that's my home. Thanks, Josh, and everyone.